Welcome everyone. MW over here. Gotta do a vid today talking a bit about shitcoins, about meme coins, altcoins, BTC pairs. So we're gonna get right into it, guys. About the MB, about the Emerald Killer MEXC trading group. I got a lot of DMs, a lot of info, and I understand. I keep repeating myself, but a lot of new people come in and they miss those posts, guys. If you want to be in the private MEXC friends group, the only thing you have to do is open up a MEXC account with the link below or the link in my bio. So there is a link below my YouTube channel. You create an account over there and you are active trading over there, and that's how you get access to the private group. So it's for free, you don't have to use nothing, but you have to be in the friends group. So we're trying to grow the friends group to go into some competitions and go make a lot of money and trade against other groups. So that's the plan. First we have to train and educate the retail fam, and then that's the plan. So we have to be in that friends groups. It's a free group, a free private group. You don't have to pay a penny about that. I also share some trades that I'm doing and the team is doing. So there's a lot of things going on there, and we're waiting for the team to be big enough, and then we're going to start with the course, and we're going to start with the trading competitions that we want to do on MEXC. And most importantly, I'm showing you with details what I'm doing there and when I'm buying and why I'm buying, etc, etc. So if you want to join that team, if you want to join the retail friends group, and don't do it for the private group, don't do it for the competitions, do it for yourself, because you're saving yourself from 70-80% lower fees. So if you're like having a portfolio of 10k and you're trading on any other exchange out there, you're paying, if you're an active trader, you're paying maybe like 500 to 1k more fees than on MEXC. Though that's the reason why we are on MEXC. It has got by far the lowest fee. So that's about MEXC. So please, guys, if you're watching this vid, do exactly as I'm saying. And by the way, if you have opened the account and you're active trading there, there's also a link of my TG group. DM me the last four numbers of your UID account. So on MEXC you've got an UID number, and the last four numbers, DM those to me, and the team will check the number if you're really active trading, and they will give you access to the private group. I will send you. So on TG. So guys, I hope everyone remembers this, because I'm getting so much DMs and so much, I'm getting crazy. So okay, let's Bunk. What is Bunk? Bunk is a meme coin. It's pumping like crazy. How is it pumping? I tweeted about it yesterday. It's just a Ponzi. Every meme coin is a Ponzi. And then you have different opinions about this, and they will say, okay, well, Bunk is going to do this, Bunk is going to the moon, Bunk is going to that. It's just a matter of time, and this thing will come down back to here. So that's something what's for 100% for sure. So at some point this thing will come down to zero, or maybe even get rocked or whatever. So guys, this is Ponzi. You can name it whatever you want, you can say about it whatever you want. And someone yesterday told me it's an ask and demand. This is no ask and demand. This is Ponzi. These are rich people. They are pumping the price, holding the price. Retailers are getting in, jumping in. So they're becoming bag holders over here. Maybe we're even gonna go to here, and then at some point, boom, and then the people that bought in over here will, because the same people that have been bought in over here, and I'm not talking about retailers, I'm talking about VCs, or I'm talking about wheels, they were buying over here, and they are also the ones that are helping the retailers to get this price up. They are helping the retailers to pump it up. They make sure that the price does not come down. And why do they do that? Because they want you to believe. They want you to be a believer, because this thing is going to the moon, and you're going to be a millionaire. You're going to make a 100x, 50x, 1000x. That's what they want you to believe, because retailers cannot pump this price up to here. They just can't. If you're thinking that retailers are the ones that are pumping this price, they are not. The only thing what is happening over here is the bags of the wheels are getting flipped to bags of retailers. That's how it works. So you've got over here the price action that's going up here, and the price is going up here. So over here you've got the wheels. They are flipping the bags to retailers, and they're making sure that this price does not come down. So that way they can keep retailers in, and at some point it's going like this, and then bam, and then okay, buy. And then we've got a lot of retailers holding bunk over here, and the wheels, they have cashed out all their money over here. That's how it works. That's a meme coin. So please, guys, be very, I am not against. If you like to gamble, it's no problem. I explained it yesterday in the TG group. I'm telling you, if you have some meme coin, you want to, maybe you're gonna get lucky. It's the same like going to the casino or going having a lottery. It's the same. You're gonna use, like, if you have got a 10K portfolio, buy, but buy here when price is over here. So you have to do some research, and something is getting shield. Here is where you buy, not here. Or here. Here is too late. It's too late when you're over here. It's so over here. When you go do your research, find the next meme coin that is getting shilled on Twitter or whatever. And what you do is this: like when you have a portfolio of like 10K, buy in 100 bucks, 200 bucks, and forget about it. Forget about it. If it makes a 100x, you made 20K, you made 30K, 40K, 50K, whatever it is. So this is how you buy meme coins. Don't buy here. When they go up, it's too late, and that's what I'm hating. I even saw that moron of that George of Cryptosaurus. He was longing on leverage and etc. These guys are crazy. I've got yesterday the team, they were shorting Bunk. They were shorting Bunk. This is play money, by the way, guys. But these guys know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So they were trading Bunk. They were shorting it. They made some nice gains, got stopped out on the rise, and that's it. So please, guys, just meme coins, buy when the price is at the lows, and buy like 100 bucks, 200 bucks. It's a gamble portfolio. Just it's a gamble trade. So just buy 100 bucks and just forget about it, because 9 of the time 10 times it goes to zero and you lost that 100 bucks. So these are the facts. This is how it is. So don't listen to all those freaking influencers over there telling you bonk this, bonk that, sharing P&Ls, etc., etc. The only thing these guys do is they want attention. They want you to follow them. They want you to go watch their YouTube shows. They're triggering you to go and get wrecked. That's what they are doing. So okay, so enough about this freaking thing. Let us go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really let me remove this one. Bitcoin is like going, it's just holding. It's just like I said yesterday, it's just holding. It's just holding, chopping around and just waiting for the next move up, in my opinion. Is there another move? Could we also go down? For sure, 100%. But as shared yesterday, look at it. Bang, 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 bang. We're just holding the indicator over here, and it's just going. So for now, it's just chopping around. I really don't have no clue. I have to say, I'm more bullish than bearish as long as this thing is above the indicator on the daily time frame. And as you can see over here, we got this dump yesterday. So whoop, and then they closed above the indicator. Hold, 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 up. Hold, and over here we lost it. We got the 200 EMA, didn't even reach, and we're going. So this is just chopping around, and this is giving a lot of opportunities for whales to pump coins like Bonk or whatever meme coin over there. So when Bitcoin is just going sideways, all these freaking Ponzi scheme scammers are doing whatever they want. And I understand when someone tells me maybe someone has bought Bonk on a very low price, so he will be on Twitter tweeting, yes, bonk to the moon. Why is he doing that? He's doing that because he wants someone to pump his backs. I had another retail fan member in the TG group yesterday. He was talking about a coin called Planet. Planet is going to the moon, is going to do 10x, 5x, 6x, whatever, etc., etc. I even made a very quick trade on oil, and I made like some money, and I bought in. When I bought in, very small amount, play money, guys, I bought in. But when I did my research and I went checking on it, I saw that it was already at 81 million. Could it make a 5x to 400 million? Maybe it is. Is this maybe the new future, this coin? Is this going to explode? Maybe, but 81 million is pretty much for a Degen coin, for a coin that a low cap. I also shared with him Cody, for example, is also at 85 million. If I had to choose between Planet and Cody, I would rather buy Cody, because I know that when Cardano or ADA will get more momentum and start rising, Cody will probably follow and will do much better. So it's a choice you have to make. So if you want to choose a Degen coin to buy, I shared like 15 coins that I bought with my profits, and I've shared it, and I don't even know how they're doing. I really didn't check it since I bought them. But these are all coins with market caps of 8 million, 9 million, 50 million, 40 million, 30 million, 20 million, 7 million. And these are coins, if they go to 70 million, that's when I make my 10x. If they go to 700 million, I made 100x. But on a coin of 81 million is already a lot. And at some point, we've got the section of the retail charts, and everyone can do what he wants. But you know, at some point, someone starts, no, we're going to do a 5x. You don't know that. Never say we're going to do a 5x or a 10x, because you don't know that. Just like I don't know that. Nobody knows that. Maybe it will go to 0. So when you're talking and when you're sharing that something is going to do a 10x or 20x or 30x, be careful. It could possibly do. I hope that it will make, because why? I'm invested in it. And when someone is invested in something, he will start shilling it. And that's why also a lot of influencers, all of them there, they have bags, they have bought in, they're heavy in, and what they do is they start influencing other people to also buy in. Why? Because they already hold those bags. So they want you to buy in so the price will go up. And you have to understand, it's very logic. All the influencers that you're showing, that you're watching, most of them, when they're talking about some coins, they own them. And they need you to buy in, and a lot of other people, so the price goes up. And that's why I always say, I am on nobody's payroll. And why am I on nobody's payroll? Because I will never tell you what coins I have, and I will never tell you what coins to buy. And every coin that I share a trade, most of them are short trades, by the way. They're not even long trades. But if I would share a long trade, it's a long trade to make a quick profit and then get the freak out. And there's only like 3-4 coins that I like. My top 3, top 5. I've shared them on my Twitter. But I will be buying them. I'm showing you, I will be buying them on much lower levels. So I'm not holding those bags. I hope that they will come down, so I get filled. But when I get filled, you will also get filled if you would want to buy with me. If you would like to buy with me that coin. So this is the difference. Someone that is objective with someone that is subjective. Because if someone is holding a lot of bags, he will shill the shit out of them. So Bitcoin is just chopping around over here. So I wanted to show you just some altcoins, guys. We're gonna just go through some altcoins. This one, AIOZ. This one made a nice run, made really a big pump up, and I was eyeing it, and I have to say the team shorted this one. I don't know if they're still in that short, but this one is very important to keep an eye on, because this is a very volatile coin, and I think that this coin, if this thing comes back, if this coin comes back to this regions over here, this could be a scoop for me. This could be a scoop for me. This is a Degen coin, and guys, as you know me, I really love to buy low levels, but this coin is a scoop for me at this levels over here. So if AIOZ decides to come back to this regions over here, and I have to say, I really should have bought in over here. It's really stupid of me that I didn't buy in AIOZ at these levels over here. I'm really stupid. So if this thing comes back to the 0.06 to the 0.043, this regions over here, I will be scooping some if this thing decides to come back. Okay, let's go to Algo. Algo, a lot of hype, and this is exactly what I was explaining you guys. A lot of people, they buy in together, and then they go together in to shill the coin, because why? They're hoping that it will go up. So it's fine, no problem by me, but Algo, guys, this thing is really so wrecked against Bitcoin. It's really this thing at some point has to come up. But I've seen them that they were shilling like the shit out of them, and over here we've got this beautiful chart. This is really, guys, this is really a beauty. The only thing that I'm having a little bit of concerns about Algo is that it's, with many other coins also, on the SEC list as a security. So that's the only thing. I think that if Algo was not mentioned as a security, it would already be at much higher levels, because fundamentally Algo, I think that Algo is one of the best projects out there. But for now, yeah, it is chopping around, but this chart, guys, this This is a beauty. This is a beauty. If this thing ramps up, it could go very hard. It could go very hard. When this thing starts getting some momentum, it could go really hard. So that's something that I'm eyeing. Also, I'll go. I wanted to show you guys another one. Yes, this one. Traded this one. It's looking. I'm trading it. I'm not buying it. I'm trading it. It's too high in my opinion. It's just too high. Arbitrum. It's too high in my opinion. It doesn't have some more, but I'd rather buy other altcoins. Arweave. I'm no Solana man, so I'd rather Atom. Yeah, I got some questions about Atom. Listen, Atom at the BTC pair. Look at it. It has got so much. Look at this guy. This thing could grow. This is one of the coins that I'm really interested in. 82%. It still has got 82% just to reach resistance at the BTC pair. It's really possibly could we see something like this, that we've got a double bottom over here, that we make a double bottom over here on the BTC pair, that we do something like this, and then we go to that region. I really don't know. I'm really loving Atom, guys. I'm really I love Atom. I think that they're very good. So let me go to the USDT. As you can see over here, it's a mess. My charts are a mess, guys. Let me see. Well, we traded the breakout. We made really sick gains on the trade out. Let me remove this now. I don't think that we need it. So for now, guys, go away. For now. Atom. Yeah, well, we had this sort of double bottom over here. I want this thing to come down, and if it doesn't come down, I'm gonna trade it. I'm gonna share it in the private group, by the way. If I see a trading opportunity on Atom, I will share it, because for now what we're seeing over here, it wants to come down. We've got this double. This double is beautiful, by the way, guys. The ones that nailed this bottom double, it's really madness. So I think we have to come back. What do we have? We have some support levels over here. We've got some support levels over here. Yes. So I have to, guys. If I will be buying in on Atom again, I will share in the private group. I will share it in the private group when I'll be buying Atom again, because I'm very bullish on Atom. So I wanted to go to the next. Okay, AVAX. Very simple, guys. I am not interested in AVAX. Very simple. I am not interested. Everything that looks like this, I am not interested in. I'm interested in charts that look like this. So you have to see the difference here. I am not interested, and I know, AVAX, a lot of momentum, etc. Blah, gaming this, gaming that, whatever. I'm looking for the next hype. So when I'm looking at charting the next hype, I'm looking for the charts that look like this, that did not do something like this. Because if Atom would be at 25, 30 bucks, that's when I would be not interested in Atom. I'm done. I did my thing. I want to buy in over here. I want to make my gains over here, and then I go to the next. So I wanted to show you guys this one, Ator. This was madness, by the way. This dump is really madness. So Ator, yes, they made this dump, and then we got this bounce up, and then it's scooping down. I think that Ator, guys, there are a lot of people talking pretty very bullish on Ator. It's privacy something, whatever it is, and a lot of people are really interested. So at 0.47, maybe a small scoop, and if it goes to the 0.3, maybe a small scoop. It's a low cap coin. Let me show you guys another one that I was eyeing. It's getting a lot of yes, this one, for example, e-gold. So no, not e-gold. Where is e-gold? I wanted to show you guys e-gold. Where are you? E-gold made a nice bump up, and I'm going to show you guys something that I was looking at. Yes, this one. Let me see. Was it this one? No, it was not this one. Where was it? I can't find it. Well, e-gold, guys. E-gold, as you can see, we broke out on the BTC pair. We were reaching the 200 EMA and it's getting rejected again. So if Eagle will come back again, Eagle is one of the coins that I'm also eyeing. So if this thing comes back, let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. You see, guys, this one was already here for a long time. Nice short. You see it? Liquidity, liquidity, nice short. Team shorted this one, by the way. Okay, so how we got Eagle is also for me a very wrecked coin, and Eagle has got a lot of support at the $35 range. So if for some reason this thing comes back to the 35, 40, 35, it's really a scoop for me. I'm very interested. Let me go show you guys another pumped coin. Fed. It's really a beauty. I missed this entry. Damn! And so this train has left and I'm not going to chase it. Very simple. Another one that I wanted to show you guys. What was it? Let me give a look at, yeah, IMEXC. IMEXC is also a coin that's very hyped on CT. And to be honest, I think that IMEXC still has got a lot of pumps to make. So I'm gonna trade IMEXC and I'm gonna share it in the private group also. So I'm gonna trade this one. So if this thing breaks out, I will probably jump in. Over here we've got the same over here. Okay, so guys, the best coin in crypto at this moment, the best coin in crypto is Injective. This is the best coin out there. And now I'm gonna explain you guys why the breakout trades are so important, especially on the BTC pair. Because look at this. I had my alarm set over here. So over here we broke up, and then we got rejected. This was just a fake out because we already made a new all-time high. We came back. I set my alarm on when it breaks the all-time high again. And over here is when you gonna jump in and trade the shit out of this, because when an altcoin makes a new all-time high against Bitcoin, guys, that's when the real FOMO and the real money gets in. And Injective is, in my opinion, the #1 altcoin for the past weeks, and I think that it will also do, because they've got a mainnet going on and a lot of fundamentally things and etc. So Injective is the most bullish coins. Am I going to buy this? No. This is trading, breakout, up, take the damn money, get out, go to the next. That's how it is. And as you can see, this is the USDT pair, and well, over here we broke it, and then bam and off it went. So I wanted to show you guys another one, Kaspa. I've been sharing a lot about Kaspa, and the team has been shorting the shit out of Kaspa, and they're making sick gains on Kaspa. And Kaspa is, guys, I've shared it a lot of times, it's a hype. When the hype is over, you'll probably see price coming down. And as you can see, we topped out over here. We made a lower low here on the weekly, and it's just retracing. And at some point, this thing will retrace a lot more, in my opinion. So I'm not interested in Kaspa, because I know when all CT was all shouting, Kaspa is the Kaspa, buy Kaspa, hold Kaspa. You know how many tweets I've seen the past weeks from all the influencers. Kaspa will make a 100x. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck you talking about? This thing already went at 10,000%. And you're telling me over here it's going to do 100x? Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. For sure this thing could even go make it 2x or 3x from here. For sure. But don't come tell me that Kaspa is going to make 100x from here. Over here, they're tweeting Kaspa is going to make 100x. I really get so... Oh, guys, but by the way, link. Yes, guys, linky. Linky fucked me. Why did Link fuck me? Link went from when I could buy it at $5-6, I did not buy in. And why did I not buy in? Because it was getting too much of shills from influencers I don't like. Let me just say that. So Link, but I've done some research about Link, and I forgot about his name. He's doing some crazy good things over there. So Link, I want to show you guys this. What I'm eyeing, I'm eyeing for the triple. And when the triple happens, I will be in Link, because based on what I've seen, from that guy, Link, if what he's building really is going to work, and he's going to get it really working without any bugs or problems, I think that Link will make his big move up. So Link, for me, I'm not going to ape in now. I'm not going to buy in now. I'm going to wait. And at these levels over here, this is against Bitcoin, by the way, at these levels over here, if Link decides to come back here, this is where I will be buying Link. And if what that owner or that CEO, whatever he is, if he will deliver what he's saying, and his I forget about that name, if it would work at these levels, I think that Link will make really a massive pump up. Let me go to my coins that I'm interested in buying. Well, here's one of them. It's already going up. Why are you going up? Wait for me. Why are you going up? As you can see, it's ramping up. I didn't see this one. I should have traded this one. So this is Ocean, guys. I'm very bullish on Ocean, and I'm very bullish on Ocean, especially because it didn't pump yet. And as you can see, what I'm seeing now is this is what I'm eyeing, because what I'm seeing is we've got like this, like this, like this. So it's like an inverted inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this thing, guys, I'm bullish on Ocean. And I really hope that this thing comes a bit back, because I want to buy Ocean at lower levels. And as you can see, it's already ramping up, and it's maybe even gonna break out. So I'm gonna eye this one. Maybe I'm gonna trade it. So this is looking good. So I'm very bullish on Ocean, guys. Ocean. Okay, we've got this shit coin. Already, guys, Ordinals, guys, I'm gonna tell you, the team from the private group, they really killed this coin. And you're gonna tell me, well, what did they kill? What did they do? They have been shorting the shit out of this one, and they're nailing. I can show you guys the trades, but they made like 20 trades and 20 winning trades every time when Ordinals, like over here, short over here, short over here. Every time when Ordinals decides to pump a bit, to bounce a bit, and that what they do is they short it. They keep short. Really, it's madness. By the way, shitcoin in my opinion. I'm not going to buy this madness. This is really madness. Okay, this one. I'm very bullish on this one. Why am I bullish on this one? Peer. Not buying in now, by the way, guys. I'm not buying in now. I'm just showing you guys why I'm bullish on this one. Let me show you guys why I'm bullish on this one. Let me see if I can find it over here. Yes, this is what I like, guys. Look at this one. It's even on a breakout. It's really, look at it against Bitcoin. It's really an accumulation zone. We try to break out on a gaming hype, and then it's coming down, and this thing is reaching also the indicator. And guys, if this thing makes a higher low, because we got over this low, it comes back a higher low. If this thing makes another jump up, it will be very good for Peer. And I think that Peer will make, if the gaming shit will start ramping up again, I think that Peer will really make $12, $30, $40, $15 ranges. So I think that if this thing comes back to the $5 range, I think you can make some nice gains. Okay, Pith, well, Pith, oh my god, I got so much hate from people from Pith. People are really hating me about Pith. Why are you hating me about Pith? Why? I'm bullish on Pith. I want to buy Pith. No, but a lot of people, they're already in with very, there was a guy that told me even, I'm all in on Pith. Why are you all in on Pith? Why are you all in on Pith? Wait a minute, why are you all in on Pith? always have cash on the side. Always have cash. Always 50% cash on the side. Always. Because you never know when Bitcoin decides to dump. And when it dumps, these coins will reach these levels. And that's why you, even if you're buying in over here or here and holding, no problem. But just if this thing comes down, make sure that you have enough money to buy in more. So your average entry will be down. So BIT is looking good, but I know why it's looking good, because Solana is gaining some momentum again, and when Solana gains momentum, BIT will make momentum. But in my opinion, BIT is still looking very, 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 very weak. BIT, I would have expected a lot more. There's a sort of selling portion or something is holding it back. I don't know what it is, but at some point we really need BIT to break up and go and make the $1 range. I really want this thing to make a really one good pump to the 80-90 cent $1 range. So BIT, I'm very bullish. If this thing comes back like shared, some dump, if you break this channel, maybe at the top, at the bottom of this channel, then even lower, but at the 30, between the 30 and the 20 cent, I will be very, very, very interested in buying. Let me go to RUNE. Okay, guys, RUNE, guys. The ones that have been following me, I've made a vid about this. I really made a freaking YouTube vid about RUNE. Over here I was telling you, we're reaching resistance, guys. This is where you have to take profits. This is where you have to sell. This is where you have to take the damn money. We're reaching resistance. I made a freaking vid. A lot of people made a lot of money shorting the shit out of this. The team for sure, they shorted the shit out of this. RUNE. This was too overboard. They needed to come down. And if we were gonna watch the RUNE ETH, the same thing. I made a vid. Just go check it out. Go to my RUNE vid, go RUNE, and then you'll see exactly how I explained that you should have sold over here, because this was going to happen. I really pointed it out in details for you guys how it was going to happen on RUNE, and well, it happened. Is someone on CT telling, wait a minute, we have been having a very big open long on RUNE and we made sick money, but wait a minute, there was one guy, he was called MW-TRADINGWORLD. He made a vid about RUNE and he really nailed that one. Maybe that guy, you should follow him. No, they will never say that, because I am not a member of the marketing machine, guys. I'm on nobody's payroll. The most of the people that you're seeing on CT, the big ones I'm talking about, these guys have really big money behind them, and the big money behind them is what rules them. They have to say what they want to say. They have a message. This is your message. You got to get paid for it. Go share it. Okay, enough about that shit. Okay, let me go on. Solana, as you can see, I explained you guys, it's really gaining momentum against Bitcoin, and I also saw it. It's gaining more momentum against ETH. So when Solana will go up, BIT will go up, and it's gaining momentum. But am I interested in Solana? No, as you guys can see. Super is something that I will be interested in. Super needs to come back to the between the 30 and 40 cents regions. That's where I will be interested in Super. And if it goes lower, I will buy more. I think that Super has got a big community, and a lot of shillers are shilling it, and the owner is also an influencer, so he will doing his thing also. So I think that Super, at some point, I will be interested in it. Via Veracity, guys, this coin is so wrecked. I don't know what is happening. Someone of the retail firm or on Twitter, he told me the tokenomics are not great from VRA. There's something going on with well, you know, I like these voices. If this thing comes down over here, I will be scooping some. So if we reach the bottom over here, I will be scooping some VRA, because you never know, at some point it's the best project of the world. And then we've got Vechain. Vechain is doing its thing, going with Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, Vechain goes up, Bitcoin comes down, Bitcoin goes up. Am I interested in Vechain? For sure. When this thing comes back, I will be scooping some of Vechain. We broke out here, by the way. I did not buy in on this breakout. I don't know where I was. I don't know what I missed some trades also, because this was a nice trade. What was this? This was a trade of, what was this? This was a trade of almost 50%. I missed this one, guys. I'm sorry, I missed this one. I didn't see it. But if it come back, I will be scooping some of that. So, guys, XRP, the last one, guys, XRP. They're going there are some noises I'm hearing about XRP is going to go into a settlement with the SEC. Guys, it's just a matter of time. If this thing dumps back more, I will be buying XRP. Just buy, just buy, just buy, and wait. At some point it goes up, and then I'll take the damn money. It's not so. XRP for me, XRP is a coin with really a very strong community, and I think that XRP at some point, it's always like that. It's chopping around, going down. We're not over here. We're here. We're in the accumulation zones. So this is the accumulation zone. So over here, if this thing comes back to the, I've also made a chart about this. I don't know if I shared this one, but over here, if it comes back to the 50 cents regions, I will be scooping some XRP mid-term, long-term for a bounce trade. So guys, oh yeah, by the way, this is for my buddy Brett. Woo. Guys, Woo is what to say. Woo is doing great. Am I interested in buying it over here? No. I would rather short something like this than long it. I'm not telling you to short, by the way, because if you don't know how to short, you don't. Shorting is you have to find the perfect entry. You have to find the perfect. You have to chart a lot more things. I'm not telling you to short, but I'm not interested in Woo at this moment. Okay, guys. Well, this was really a Degen coin. We've talked about a lot of coins. We've talked about a lot of Degen coins. I hope you guys all have learned something, saw something. Let me know, because I'm going to do the next Degen coins, and I want to make a list. I already made one. What is your top 3 altcoins on Twitter? And I've got a list. So I did not forget about you guys that shared the altcoins over there. So guys, in the comment, just share your altcoin, hashtag your altcoin over there, and I will be making another vid, because today I just did my list of coins that I'm eyeing, I'm checking, and whatever. Share your altcoin in the comments, and I will be charting it. And the next vid I will be more on the lower time frames and on technical and what I'm seeing on the short term. So that's the next vid, and if you want your coin to be in that vid, share it below. I'm not going to promise you that I'm going to do it, but I'm going to choose like 5 or 10 of those coins shared by you guys, and I will do them on the lower time frame, and I will make a deep dive in, just like I did on Ruth and did a vid about that one. So I want to thank you also. Like the vid, please. Don't forget to share on Twitter, on Telegram, wherever you are. If you want to join the private group, free education to be a gain trader, the link is below the MEXC. Get an account, share active trade over there, share me the 4 last numbers of your UID number, and have a nice one, and bye bye.